Hi, this is Kalyananthi, founder and managing trustee, Project Future India Trust. I am just before you to convey my regards and my gratitude for iGiver. I also wanted to share one thing that we are doing for the underprivileged children. That one thing is something very thought-provoking and very creative to bring in opportunities for the underprivileged children all over Chennai. We are two organizations, Project Future India Trust and Nam Desam Foundation. So we are associate organizations who work for the well development of the women and children all over Tamil Nadu. So we had a thought-provoking idea that why don't we promote the welfare of the children through the sports. This idea it got instilled in us as we are working with the children in conflict with law and also the children in need of care and protection all over the Chennai in the various government run child care institutions. So with our experience, we thought sports is always the best opportunity to be a recreation for the children who need care and protection and the children who are being addicted. So what we thought is why don't we take football as a medium to create opportunities for the children who wanted to socially reintegrate back into the society. So as we all know that football one side is recreation and on the another side we can always take football as a sport for professional development. Both the organization Project Future India and Nam Desam came together with the idea of creating Future India. Through Future India we started giving tournaments. We started participating in the tournaments. This is a collective performance whereby we scout for the talents in the sense like the children from the underprivileged society who are already being trained in their local grounds. So we go to their places, we just talk to their coaches and we take the best talents from there. And the criteria for this is we will be taking the child who is really underprivileged and who cannot participate in the tournaments by paying the tournament fee, who don't have a jersey to wear, who don't have a proper boot to wear and play football. So we take care of their entire sports kits, jerseys, shin pad, stockings, boots, their refreshments, their practice matches. We hire coaches before the tournaments, and also we pay for the tournaments and we just take this players collectively and we participate in the tournament. So this is what you see here is this is one of the cup that we have recently won. Totally 19 teams from the Chennai came together and all of them are already they are clubs. Among them are NGO. This is the first time an NGO is given. Two NGOs have come together to give opportunities for the children. So we participated. We played 5 matches. We got into the quarterfinals, we got into the semi-finals and we got 3rd place. So this is something this is something that has really created hope for the children. And you can ask me what is that you are going to get out of it. So when we take these children for the tournaments, so there are many clubs who play sub-junior leagues will be participating in the matches, and when they happen to see the best talents who play with us, so they will get opportunity to play for those high league clubs. So thank you. I would like to take this time to wholeheartedly thank iGiver and Raghav for sponsoring the refreshments. Thank you so much, Raghav, and thank you so much, iGiver. Thanks a lot. From Project Future India and Nam Desam Foundation. Hey.